Phototropism and Geotropism in plants. Study of phototropism and geotropism in plants. Materials required: 2 unbranched plants, adhesive tape, cotton, 2 boiling tubes marked as A and B, water, 2 laboratory stands with clamps. Procedure: take 2 boiling tubes labeled as A and B. Fill up both the tubes with water until they are 2/3 full. Insert the plant one by one into each boiling tube. Introduce the cotton swabs in such a way that roots dip in water and the stem with leaves project out of the boiling tubes. Seal the mouth of 2 boiling tubes using adhesive tape such that no water trickles out of the boiling tube even when they are inverted. Fix tube A vertically upright in a laboratory stand. Fix the other boiling tube B upside down in another laboratory stand. Ensure that the water in second tube B does not trickle down. Place the 2 laboratory stands near a window such that direct sunlight falls on the 2 plants. Observe the plants in each boiling tube on day 1, day 2, day 3, and day 4. Observation: the stem in test tube A grows vertically upwards and bends towards the light. The stem in test tube B shows a curvature and bends upwards towards the light and away from the gravitational force, thus showing positive phototropism and negative geotropism. The roots in both the test tubes grow towards the gravitational force and grow away from sunlight, thus exhibiting negative phototropism and positive geotropism, while roots in test tube B curve and grow towards the gravitational force. Conclusion: if plant stem grows towards sunlight, it is positive phototropism, and if roots grow away from light or towards gravity, it is negative phototropism. If root grows towards gravity, it is positive geotropism, and if stem grows away from gravity or towards light, it is negative geotropism.